Hey guys, today we have a short video for you on how to download free music from YouTube. What you do is you go to YouTube, choose the song you want to download, and then open the song you want, pause it real quick, and then you go copy the link, and then open a new tab, go to onlinevideoconverter.com. From there you're going to click on convert a video link. Make sure that it's in the format you choose, and then paste that link, and after you paste it, click start and it will start the download process. When it's finished, all you have to do is download, and that's it. You have your free song. Thanks for visiting HandSComputers YouTube channel. We'll see you next time.